Be'ezrat Hashem, we start Perek Revi'i. That's going to talk about the Refuot Choli HaNefesh. How to cure, yes, the soul. The Midot. המעשים הטובים הם המעשים השווים. What is the definition of good deeds, good actions? It means מעשים השווים. Balanced actions. Behaving with equilibrium. הממוצעים בין שתי קצוות ששתיהם רע. That's basically behaving, right, in the middle of a midah between two קצוות, two opposites that both are bad. Two extremes are bad. You have to be in the middle. האחד מהם תוספת. One is exaggeration, doing too much. והשנית חיסרון. And the other extreme is not to do enough. המעלות הם תכונות נפשיות וקניינים ממוצעים בין שתי תכונות רעות. So the good deeds are the deeds, yes, that live within a person that sits between those two extremes. האחת מהם יתרה והאחרת חסרה. The same thing, right? Like we have actions, we have deeds, we have midot. So those midot, the good midah, we have a good midah tova. It's a midah that sits between, in between, you know, something that you do too much or you don't do enough. That both are called bad midot. מן התכונות האלה יתחייבו הפעולות ההן. And based on these tchunot, based on these traits, yes, a behavior, a reaction, an action is expected. Now he's going to give, that's the rule of thumb of the midot. Yes? So you have a micro level and a macro level. The micro level is an action. When you do an action, the action that you do has to be, okay, leveled between exaggerating in that action or no, not doing it at all. So too in the midot, that's on a macro level. Yes, when you have a trait, you have a midah. Your midah, this tendency that you have, should be balanced between those extremes, too much or too little. And he's going to give an example. והמשל, בו הזהירות. Zehirut is to be careful, okay, to be conservative, okay. היא מעלת המידות. Sorry. So what is the זהירות? שהיא מידה ממוצעת בין רוב התאווה ובין היעדר הרגש ההנאה. The זהירות is between having too much desire, too much ta'avot, and being like a dead fish, not feeling nothing, not desiring nothing, being completely disinterested from everything. So the balance between the two opposites is called zehirut, being cautious, being conservative. הזהות היא מפעולות הטובות. It's good, this is one of the good מעלות. ותכונת הנפש אשר תתחייב ממנה זהירות היא מעלת המידות. And if you have a תכונה, yes, your tendency, yes, in your behavior, in your essence, sits or makes you behave in a way that you are not too much under the desire, the influence of the desire, but you are also interested, yes, to the right level of pleasures. then that's called Zahir. That's a good. That's having a good midah.
This is talking about like in a Torah aspect or like in a day-to-day.
תאוות, desires. אבל רוב התאווה, but if you have too much תאוות, הוא הקצה הראשון, that's one extreme. והיעדר רגש ההנאה, and if you're completely disinterested of anything, לגמרי, הוא הקצה האחרון, that's the other extreme. ושניהם רע גמור. Both extreme are very bad. ושתי התכונות הנפש, אשר מהם יתחייב רוב התאווה, והיא התכונה היתרה, והיעדר ההרגשה והיא התכונה החסרה, שתיהם יחד מפחיתויות המידות. Right? So if you have the instinct, the desire within you to do a lot of ta'avot, that you have a bad midah. And if you don't have, and if your essence, right, your inclination, your desire is completely shut down, that's also a bad midah. So you understand the difference between, yes, how to evaluate an action versus a midah. It's the parameters are the same. The question is, do you look at the action that you have done, or do you look at the tendency, the instinct, the spark within you? Yes, that instinctive desire, push within you that pulls you towards a direction.
Which could either be extreme or not anything at all.
Correct.
And that tells us what? If you can identify that, what does that do?
That determines if you have a bad midah or a good midah. And if you have a bad midah, now you can work on it.
I think it's all about the impulse. That's where it starts.
Correct. Where is that drive? Where is that pushing you? Where is the impulse taking you? Mm-hmm. The same thing.
He left. He got disconnected.
So what do? We stay or we reconnect?
No, I think just wait a minute. He'll be back. Okay. Ima's home, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Where's Yitzi? He's not here.
No, he's not. Do you ever read the Bior on the bottom? It's pretty nice. It's so simple.
No.
It's like one word, like one sentence, a lot of them. It's very nice.
Need to do some reviewing. I think we should get off and reconnect. No?
Okay. I mean, he's going to join the same one. It's the same place.
Check here.
I think we should just wait a minute. I think he'll text in the group chat if he can't connect us. Yeah. I want to start learning Ben Ish Chai. You want to learn Ben Ish Chai?
Halachot?
Yeah, like the halacha with the parsha, like every week. I want to like learn it.
I just finished my round 3 of it.
You want to start with me?
Yeah, let's start from Bereshit because it already ended.
Yeah, it's Bereshit's in a few weeks, no?
Yes, of course. Simchat Torah.
Yeah, let's do it. I want to like polish up my Hebrew.
Let's do it. It's very tough Hebrew. Okay,
It's hard Hebrew?
No, not all of it. Some of it. I don't understand. I understand like 80%.
Yeah, it's good. Making me better. Okay, fine.
I think let's get off and get back on.
Okay, fine.